मास्टर प्रवीण। आशा करता हूँ कि आप ठीक हैं और योगा की प्रैक्टिस आप डेली कर रहे हैं। सो लेट मी कम ऑन द अपडेट. This update is about my another batch for batch 32. This batch is we are focusing for basic to intermediate level, and this time I am putting this batch for continuously for 2 months, because this batch is a special series for the November and for a December, and the timing for this batch from 10 to 11 a.m. as per the Indian time. So if someone want to go the another level from intermediate, basic to intermediate, so this batch is very much suitable for everyone. So you are a yoga practitioner, you are a yoga teacher, so you can be join this batch, and this batch is going to be start from 2nd of November, and the finish date is something is about like 25 December. So this batch is also have some early bird discount, some promotional price will have, and normal price will be have. So the details and everything I am giving you one link under this video. Please you watch on this video. पूरी वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप देखेंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक आपको दिया होगा. You will find the one link. Just you click on that link and you will be go on directly on the website. And with this link you will have all information. आपको सारा information उसके अंदर मिल जाएगा. You will have information, early bird discount, the normal price, for the Indian people price, and for the other nationality price. So it will be, you will have all the details. So if you really want to be joined, so please do it fast and give me your confirmation. You can contact me on the WhatsApp number, or just pay the fees and send me the screenshot, and I will register you for this batch. This batch 3 days in a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday 10 to 11 a.m. Thank you so much. Namaste. Hari Om. Om Shanti.